How to enable biometrics on Deriv Go. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Enabling biometric login like fingerprint or face unlock on the Deriv Go app is one of the easiest way to protect your account while also making login faster. So in order to do that, launch open Deriv Go app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon, usually at the top right corner, and then from the menu that appears on the screen, select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, click on Biometrics underneath Security and Safety. Now click on Enable Biometrics at the bottom and then click on Add Passkey, Fingerprint or Biometric option. Go ahead and scan your Face ID or your fingerprint according to your device's type, and now you have successfully added biometrics login in Deriv Go. So there you have it. Once confirmed, biometrics will be activated. Next time you open the app, you can log in instantly using your fingerprint or Face ID. No need to type your password every time. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.